One of the things we should be grateful for and not take for granted is the fact that by we, I mean YouTubers of now, content creators of now, we have all these tools, all these apps, all these softwares that make content creation and managing our content as easy and as fast as possible. If you have all of the apps I'm going to mention in this video, then you're good to go. Having said that, let us get straight into today's video. Now, the apps I'm going to mention in this video are of 4 categories, but I want to assume that everyone who's watching me right now at least has the YouTube app, right? If you don't like the camera app that your phone came with, you can download other camera apps. The one I would recommend would be Open Camera. It has customizable tools that you can play with and get the best quality possible. Okay, so now that is settled, an app that you will need, or the first app you will need, is an editor. If you're going to be filming with your mobile phone, you need a mobile video editor. If you're going to be editing with your system, you will need an editor as well. You will need either CapCut. The CapCut editing app is a very popular one. It's very, very easy to use, beginner friendly. You could look into that. Or you can check out VN Video Editor. That is also an easy to use pro level video editor for your mobile phone. And there is also InShot. Either one of these 3 will do the job for you perfectly. If you'd like me to make a specific video about any of this app, just let me know down in the comment section. Now that we have our video editor, the next thing we need is a thumbnail or a graphic app. I would recommend Canva because Canva is very, very easy to use. There are a lot of templates that you can customize, and as a complete beginner, that is the best because you don't have to start from scratch. You don't have to go and start learning graphic design from scratch. You can just take a template and customize it to suit your taste or your what you're going for. So Canva is the one I would recommend the most. Now for SEO and growth, I would recommend one, vidIQ. vidIQ, even with the free version, you get to do a lot. It helps you optimize your video as much as possible. It's very, very easy to use. It gives you ideas. It gives you insights on your competitors. It just helps you have like a deep insight on your channel. So try and have the vidIQ app on your mobile phone. And talking about insight and growth, another app that you should definitely have, if you don't have any of these other apps, apart from the editor, you should make sure you have this one, and that is the YouTube Studio app. YouTube has made everything so easy for you in that app. You have deeper insight on your channel. You get to monitor how your channel is doing. You get to monitor your analytics, monetization. It just helps you manage your channel. The YouTube Studio app is like a managing tool for your entire channel. You just need to have that app. It also helps you reply to comments, know how much you're earning if your channel is monetized yet. If your channel isn't monetized, it also helps you kind of monitor how everything is going, how many watch hours you're getting or you've gotten so far. You really, really need the YouTube Studio app. I don't think there's a way you can actually successfully be a YouTuber without having the YouTube Studio app. So try and have that on your mobile phone. Then if you're the type of content creator that maybe share your screen a lot, like screen recording like me, you will need a screen recorder. Most phones come with inbuilt screen recorder, but if you don't like your inbuilt screen recorder or if your phone doesn't have it, you can download very good screen recorders from your app store. There's the X recorder. I've used that before and it's quite good. You can download that and use it to screen record your phone and share your screen. Now all of these I mentioned are for your mobile phone, but if you're going to be using your systems, some of these apps have desktop versions or PC versions or Mac versions that you can look up and have on your system. Like the vidIQ, it has of course online version. CapCut also has a desktop version or online version. The YouTube Studio app also has the website version, and of course Canva. Remember that if you want me to make a specific video concerning any of the apps or website I've mentioned, just let me know in the comment section. I'm your girl. This is what I do on this channel. I make videos to help you create better and quality content, even if you're just a complete beginner or complete amateur. So put your requests down there and I will definitely, and I'm even looking for ideas. I'm looking for ideas for a 28-day challenge, so help me out. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.